Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's segment of Ladies Lit Topics. Hey, everybody, this is Deirdre, your MC, and I'm here on Thursdays to bring you your favorite content on your favorite videos of the week. Most of the juicy conversations happen in our private Facebook group. If you are not currently a member, head on over and join our community. Sorry, fellas, this group is only for the ladies, but we will love your support as well. You can find Ladies Lit on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Ladies Lit, or on Twitter at Ladies Lit Reads. If you would like to be featured on one of the segments of Ladies Lit Topics, please contact one of the admins and we will be more than happy to help you out. All links will be posted below. In our last video, we talked about how everyone was ready for the release of the Meg Thee Stallion Cardi B collab WAP that premiered that night at midnight. That was 2 weeks ago, and it's been a whole lot of drama popping off left and right. It all started the next morning with the dragging of Kylie Jenner. Social media was big mad that not only did she get a cameo, but her part made it seem as if she was above all the other featured women. When I tell y'all, I was crying laughing at these comments. Y'all even had my girl Betty White trending on Twitter because she would be better than Kylie. Then y'all started a petition trying to get that girl taken out that video. I was in full-blown tears by then. I can't even say that I was mad. I had to pause myself. Y'all could have given my girl Nemani that spot. Kylie opened up about her experience, stating that she took the role serious and that she had a lot of fun. She responded to the backlash by stating the comments did bother her, but she was doing her best to not let them. I'm not sure who was next to chime in, CeeLo or Ben Shapiro, but we're going to talk about CeeLo first. CeeLo added his 2 cents in by stating certain content has a time and a place, that those lyrics and other lyrics like these are, quote, disappointing on a personal and moral level. Then stated that perception becomes reality. He then apologized, stating that it was taken out of context. Now let's get to Ben Shapiro and his comments. If you didn't know who Ben Shapiro was, like myself, let me give you a brief insight. He is an American conservative political commentator and attorney. He is most famous for becoming the youngest syndicated columnist in the United States at the age of 17. It might be relevant to note that he wrote a book called Porn Generation: How Liberalism is Corrupting Our Future. He went viral because of the way he presented the lyrics while mocking the validity of the stated female empowerment the video portrayed. Carole Baskin even had something to say about the video, stating that the big cats used in the video are being abused, that putting them in front of a green screen to perform is not natural to them. I hope you enjoyed this week's segment of Ladies Lit Topics. We will be back soon with more content for you, so stay tuned. If you need to get in contact with any of the admins, I have posted the links below, or you can DM us on any platform. That's it for now, ladies. Remember, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. So stay lit.